Look at that. 2 crows. Confirmation. And I seen 2 crows yesterday. And I got 2 now. So there's nothing something about 2 people taking some type of loss. Yeah, confirmation. Come here, crow. Oh, remember I said it. I said somebody gonna be eating crow. So there's 2 people that gonna be eating crow. Hey, come here. Why they can't be like those crows that bring people shit? I want one of those crows. Oh, it took a shit. Yo, y'all peep that? Oh, look, and it's laughing. It's not like it's laughing at me. Like, yeah, I ain't bringing you shit. Literally, I'm gonna bring you shit. Oh, shit. You coming over here? Oh, I got scared for a minute. Anyways, y'all, confirmation.